Welcome back, YouTube. I know y'all probably thought we were out of the cold weather, but nah, we're not. So we're gonna start this episode off. We're gonna go get some wood for Joe Henry's stove. You know, some people still have a wood burning stove. Me, I'll just go to the thermostat, lean on that natural gas a little bit. All the trees cut. He want this one. Where you looking? God damn, man. You gotta go straight through. Oh, it's a little bit tight. Now that we got that done, we can start the work for today. I said I was gonna start letting y'all in on a little more, so this is it. Not everything we do is just cow, hay, or agricultural commodity related. Sometimes you just gotta do stuff for the house, and that's what we just did. I would drop the chain. Protractor need washing, and washed it. It's been parked outside all winter. The new mustard water. And so we got some wood split. We also put up a little house wrap. Had to do a little maintenance. Probably why I'm walking around with button taps in my pocket. But we finna feed these cows right now. Y'all probably hear them mooing hungrily. I guess that's how you say it. If this was a movie and they were like extras, we would say background, mooing hungrily. There you go. But yeah. All right, everybody back. Back. Let me get it. It's a muddy mess. If y'all notice, we only had one calf out of this herd so far. I don't know if Sniff was retiring early. He knew he was getting sold or what, but yeah. What'd you say?
What is that stuff?
It's mineral.
Okay. You put a
Setting out some mineral tubs. How much salt in there? See if it's nah, they got a little bit. You want to put some in there? Let that do. Yeah. Throw a white one in there, Carlos.
Let me back up to it, Carlos. Get a white one.
Get a white one and put it there. All right. So we're setting out mineral tubs.
We feed sweet licks that says 30%.
And Carlos is touching it.
Wow. Well, you were just touching it, so what?
I was not touching it. We have it on camera actually, so y'all see. Yeah. So, look at the little ones. They put themselves in there. Come set them some hay out.
Put a white one in there with Carlos.
Alright.
No reason they're gonna bite it, is it?
What?
Can I get a GoPro from you one day?
From me?
Yeah.
How you think that happened? Watch out. Let me go. How'd that happen?
Because you're the only person that knows how to buy a GoPro, so I don't know what site.
You don't know site. You got money?
Yeah, I'm saving up for other stuff.
But you want me to buy the GoPro?
Yeah, for your birthday, that's it.
For your birthday?
Yeah, that's it.
Do you know how much a GoPro costs?
At least like $400.
Oh, a whole lot more than that. Roses are red, violets are blue. We almost out of hay, but winter ain't through. Yeah. I'm more of a poet than I thought. Yeah, but the question is, will we run out of hay? Guys. Alright, so like I was saying, we were trying to see if we're gonna run out of hay or not. But let's see here. That's all the hay we got. Ta-da! It is amazing how y'all watch that fill up and unfill. So we're running through about 5 bales a week right now with our reduced numbers, and the grass starting to come up a little better. So with us running through 5 bales a week, that probably gives us about 3 more weeks. It is real close to March, so hopefully our ride passes and stuff, well, ain't no hopefully, we know around middle of March. Next week we got a whole lot of warm weather, and all our passes doing pretty good. I might get a thing of fertilizer. Go ahead and fertilize those pastures. I might do that next week. Great job. Great idea, YouTube. Yeah, so I might just get some fertilizer and throw it out on that grass next week with the temperatures coming up like that, and just go ahead and give it a chance to compete. If it gets up there a nice size. Let me see here. That'd be $600. I think we're gonna order it. Alright, everybody, appreciate y'all for watching today. We didn't really do much, but we're getting ready for the snow.